In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a Smartsheet. Now, we all know that accidental deletions can happen all too easily, and it's certainly something that can cause a bit of panic. But don't worry, because I'll walk you through a simple process to recover your deleted Smartsheet, effortlessly bringing back what you thought was lost forever. To begin, let's navigate to your Home tab in Smartsheet. This is where you generally start your projects or browse existing sheets. Once you're on the Home tab, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Browse. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to finding various Smartsheet contents, including the ones you've deleted. Now that you've clicked on Browse, look for a section called Deleted Items. This section is your treasure trove for all things accidentally removed or deliberately erased. Selecting deleted items will bring up a list of sheets that have been previously deleted. It's like retrieving something from the recycling bin on your computer. Straightforward and effective. The next step is to find the specific sheet you want to restore. Depending on how long ago it was deleted, you may have to scroll a bit, but keep an eye out. Each entry will have some details like name and modified date, which should help you pinpoint your sheet more easily. Once you've found your deleted sheet, all it takes is a simple right click on that entry to start bringing it back. A menu will pop up and you'll want to choose the option labelled Undelete. This action will immediately move the sheet back from the deleted items section to its rightful place in your active Smartsheet collection. Alternatively, if you prefer, or if you find it easier, you can recover the sheet by clicking directly on it within the deleted items list. After it opens, look towards the top of your screen where you'll spot a button named More Actions. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu where you can again find and select Undelete. Whether you right-click or use the More Actions approach, both methods efficiently accomplish the same goal, allowing for some flexibility depending on your preference for interaction with the interface. That's all it takes. Your sheet should now be safely back in play, right where it belongs. It's a relief knowing that recovering from errors or change of plans is just a few clicks away. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide gives you peace of mind when working within Smartsheet. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Until next time, happy Smartsheeting.